I have said it before and I will repeat it again. Time without number, the Igbos are the only one who are practicing one Nigeria in reality. Today, 20th of August, they're supposed to start what they call Igbo must go protest in Lagos. But as I'm talking to you today, Igbo man is still pricing a land in the same Lagos today. Somewhere in Lagos, Igbo man wants to start a business in Lagos. Igbo man is clearing his container to start to invest in Lagos as I'm talking to you today. Igbo man is signing a deal to start a business in Lagos. We are not cowards, we are stubborn. So when I made a video said, stop insulting the Oba of Benin, some of you think that I'm saying because no, out of fear. I say, these people have been insulting us, it's enough, we need to insult them back. No, it's not out of fear. I'm not saying it out of fear. We are not cowards, I know that for sure. In the whole Nigeria, every tribe know that Igbos are not cowards. They know Igbo man, no, they fear. So as an Igbo man, I'm not coward, I'm not afraid. But like they say, when you hear DK, if you hear that word, you understand that he's already a strong man because they call him DK. When you avoid a fight, it's not because he's out of fear. There are difference between caution and fear. So many passengers control the driver out of fear, thinking they are doing caution. But I'm not here to teach you English. It's not out of fear. Prevention is better than cure. It's better to prevent it than start waging war with people we are not supposed to wage war with. That is the truth. I know they insult our elders. Even me, I've been insulted. If I take because of the insult or the threat I'm receiving daily, I would have quit now, not out of fear. You know what it takes when people call you IPOB because they want Nigerian government to arrest you? Because my message is hitting them home. It's hitting them where they are. And I've told them time without numbers. You can hug transformer. You can kill yourself. Now yourself you will kill, not me. I'll be here for 10 years telling you people the truth. Somebody tagged me on a video where somebody from Delta take my video out of context and saying I'm calling the old Delta Igbo. If you are following me, you know that I'm a man of the truth. And I said it time without number. I'm responsible for whatever I say, but I'm not responsible for whatever you hear. I have recognized even a gala that are in Delta State, the Igbo community. I've recognized the Lukumi Yoruba community in Delta State. I've recognized the Edos in Delta State. I've recognized the Shakiri Ijo. I've never, for when they say the old Delta are Igbos. He looks like a lion, doesn't mean that he's a lion. That they are said that the North see Delta State as an Igbo state. Just like I said that we see Bauchi State as a Fulani Hausa state. I explained those things. But the Bible says, surely offenses will arise, but woe unto him who the offense will come from, or for Kanjiliha. So that when the thing will start, they won't say that I'm the one who started it. No. That is why I avoid them. Not because of fear. If you're Igbo, they don't want you to accept that you're Igbo. That's why they come to attack me. Because since I started speaking that we are Igbos in Delta, just like there are Yorubas in Delta, there are Igalas in Delta. These videos are more than 1 year I've made those videos. I know they speak too much. I'm not going to talk this thing tomorrow, talk another different thing. I'm sincere and straightforward. I'm building a brand which is truth. But they are afraid of the Igbos. That's why they will always come to counter you. You are calling the old Delta Igbo. I've never said that. But we know the reason. They are afraid that Igbo man will come and claim their land. But I've been asking them this question. None of them can give me answer. How many of them can point to any land an Igbo man has claimed? How many of them get the oil where they are fighting for? These same Igbos are the one, 3 million of them were killed to keep oil in Niger Delta. Igbos were killed to keep this oil in your village. Yet, now northern people who hold this oil. The gold in Zamfara is for the northerners and for the Zamfara alone. But the oil in your village are owned by the one single northerner. I have never seen any Niger Delta person, whether it's Ijo or it's Shakiri or Urobo, or that is making a video speaking against the North. Who owns the oil in their backyard? This same oil that Igbo people died to preserve it in your place. Igbo blood are the one shared to keep this oil in your place. Is owned by the Northerners. But none of you will fight and face your enemy. It is only the Igbo. Are you not cowards? What are you afraid of? Talk about them now. They pack it, they own the oil well. But you can't speak about them. Nandi Igbo you go to talk about. Since I said we are Igbo, all hell loose. I don't care whatever you think, oh. I'm an Igbo man in Delta State. He that must prepare for peace must also prepare for war. But we know that peace is better. I'm out of here, Joe.